Lost your connection because of time limits? With another MAC address, you'll be able to rejoin the network. This trick, known as MAC spoofing, isn't just useful for public networks. It also helps bypass university or office restrictions, support IT security testing, and allows users to manage multiple accounts on platforms that track devices. So it's time to spoof your Mac. On macOS, you can change it via terminal. First, run ifconfig en0 grep either to check the current address. Disconnect Wi-Fi, then use sudo ifconfig en0 either to change it and replace the generic MAC address with the new one you want to use. Enable Wi-Fi and verify with the same command ifconfig en0 grep either. The change reverts after restart, so use scripts or system modes for a permanent change. To change the MAC address on Windows 11, press the Windows key, type Settings, and open it. Go to Network and Internet, select Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and choose your active network. Find random hardware addresses, off by default, and turn it on for a new MAC per connection, or change daily to refresh it every 24 hours. Next is Linux. Open terminal and use this command ifconfig to find your address. Then run the following commands to change it. Sudo ifconfig is 0 down, sudo ifconfig is 0 hw either, and this command sudo ifconfig is 0 up. To make the change permanent, edit the etc. network interfaces file. Now let's move to smartphones. If you have an iPhone, you can use the private MAC address feature to randomize your MAC address for each Wi-Fi network. To enable it, go to Settings, select Wi-Fi, tap your network, and toggle on Private Address. For Android, go to Settings, choose Wi-Fi, tap Network, and use Randomized MAC. For most users, changing the MAC address isn't necessary. If you still decide to spoof it, be cautious to avoid connectivity issues and review network terms regularly. Use anti-detect browsers and proxies responsibly to bypass network filters, and always choose reliable providers. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Data Impulse for more content. Catch you later!